Hey guys, Merry Christmas everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you've probably seen in the title, I'm doing a what I got for Christmas video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell so you're updated when I upload a new video. And let's get on to the video. So the first thing that I got is a bath bomb from Lush, and it's the Golden Wonder, and it just smells divine. That's like so much gold. Consequently, so it's basically this bath bomb, and I have to be so careful not to drop it, but oh my god, it smells so good. My entire room just smells like Lush right now. Then I also received another bath bomb, and this is the world's smallest Disco 19. And this just smells amazing as well. So I'm always scared that I'm dropping these bath bombs or like any other products, so let me know down in like the cards if you're scared as well, or if you've dropped any. So this is basically the bath bomb, and it just has all of these colourful dots, and apparently it turns your bath purple. So that will be interesting, and it just smells amazing. Next, I received a bubble bar, and it's the Santa's wand. And also, can we just take a minute for like the cute packaging, because I mean, who doesn't love the packaging at Lush, but who doesn't love Lush products as well? So and this again just looks amazing, and oh my god, this smells just so good. And to be honest, it just looked like a lollipop, so you could just basically have this lollipop. Oh my god. And I just feel like, you know me, like okay, I should be careful that I'm not gonna drop it, because oh my god, this just smells too good. And I also got another product from Lush, which is the Whoosh Shower Jelly, and it's just this one, and it's like, smells like amazing. I can't really like describe the scents of any of these. Wait, it just looks like a swimming pool that you can just like dive in. And then I also got a Google Chromecast, and basically what a Chromecast is basically a device you put into, like, you stick it into your TV, and then you can watch any kind of show. You can use it for YouTube, for Netflix, for Spotify, for like Google, for Facebook, Google Play, Google Photos, and basically anything. So you could even have it like connected to your TV provider. So if you have a TV already in your house that has like the TV provider and your TV doesn't, you can basically put this in your TV, and then you get the same channels as your other TV has, if that makes sense. So no, I didn't really get this for Christmas. I got it a couple of days before Christmas, and I just see it as actually getting it for Christmas. But EOS Cosmetics was really kind to send me a couple of their holiday products. So to start off, they gave me the hand cream lavender. Like, honestly, this is smelling so good. So this is big. Do this. I really wish you guys could smell this, because it's not that strong of a lavender scent, which I like, because normally when you have a lavender scent it's extreme, and now it's not. So I'm just really liking this. Then I also got the lip balms. So to start off with the peppermint, and this is basically what it looks like. And it's in the scent peppermint cream, and it just smells like peppermint, and normally peppermint is not really my favorite scent, but it's still nice. Then I also have this one, which is in the scent cherry and bright, and this just smells great as well, so it's just amazing. Lastly, I have this one, and I believe it's the whipped vanilla frosting. It just smells really good as well, and it's just really cute. So, and then I also received some money since I'm saving up for a new phone, so I just received a bit of money to help me reach the goal of being able to buy a new phone. So yeah, that is pretty much all I got for this Christmas, and to be honest, I didn't even ask for anything this year since I didn't want anything, and I'm extremely grateful for the gifts that I received. And yeah, I hope you guys are happy as well with what you've received, and that you're having a great Christmas with family, friends, loved ones, whoever you're celebrating it with. And I hope you have a great Christmas and enjoy the rest of it. Bye.